pigs were so cool. Well, Grandpa's helping with the straps, and then we'll carry the cage and the shitty cute. Oh, that's cute. Ooh, look at this juicy grass.
Wait, that's the boy? This is the boy. What? I thought that was the boy.
Show them their swimming pool.
They're like the opposite of us.
Yeah, they are.
You got their own swimming pool?
They're so cute. They can hold their breath for like a long time.
They can?
Yeah, for are they heavy? Probably.
Very resistant. Come on.
I grab his legs.
Gravity.
They're actually like not falling. Come on, pigs. They're like doing all they can to stay in the cage. They're like doing all they can just to stay in there. Come on, Nuggets.
I'm backing up.
It's like, I'm not going back. I'm not. Nope, back in the cage. Nope.
What? How are they still in there?
Are they still in there?
And get their seatbelts on.
They're like Spider-Man pigs.
Are they
Oh
out?
my God, that one's still trying to be in there. They're out.
So the Kunekune pigs came yesterday. My mother-in-law went down to Indiana to get them. We've got pumpkin in orange and spotted, and then rolling shit from the TV show Schitt's Creek and Black Boar. And we have their little village set up. Made this house out of a IBC tote and some old fence boards that were starting to rot and I tore down. And this Kunekune castle from a old water tank that I found on Facebook, and fence boards for a roof. And the only way to eat breakfast is laying down in the food bin. We've got turkeys in the backyard. And a turkey slider. Ready for some fresh grass? Easy way to fertilize your backyard. What's going on, Pam? painted the goat spools and put some boards up for the kids to play on. Oh, and the goats. They seem to like it. You guys ready to go out? Yeah, 'cause somebody messed with the camera. So what was it, 2 days ago?
2 days ago. Or 3. It was on Bruce's birthday.
On Bruin's birthday, Temple had a bull calf. Named him Buddy. It's a little dun bull calf, Dexter bull calf. We'll probably steer him. Right, Temple? She's pretty protective.
So cute.
No. You a good mom? There's the proud aunt in the back. Alright, I'll leave you alone. And we have Oprah, who was bred by Boris, Tamworth boar. And Oprah's a Berkshire, so she should have piglets.
In October, I want to say.
October?
Was it? 4 months? 4 months? About 4 months.
And these Mangalitsa should be due, I guess, in another week and a half now, because
Yeah,
they were originally, the due date was
like 2 weeks ago.
a week and a half ago. But they are looking pretty big.
Yes, we have little ears right there, spot right there, and big ears right there.
This is big ears.
Who's the one that's the closest?
We have our Tamworth breeders. And Boris. Sally we saw get bred.
Yeah.
Sally's a Hereford.
She should be due in October too, I think.
Oh.
I'll have to look at that.
And we still have Porkstar. He is
Ginormal.
He was ready about a month ago, but the butcher is coming this week to the farm, and he is off to market. And the rest of these Tamworths are being fed out for July.
July, yeah, it's July.
July, and then I think 2 in August.
Yeah, I think there's 2.
Gillian's been coming over here and
Saying hi to Greta the heifer.
saying hi to Greta.
Because she's in it. So.
baby lambs. That's Chunk.
This one's Chunk, or Three Peep. That one's Repeep, and that's his sister, She-Peep. Well, I guess they're all half brothers and sisters, but that's She-Peep. That's Repeep. They were the first twins. That's Chunk. There's one over there behind Jane, and that's Ross. She has a baby.
Go.
If you ever want to see when folks go got out, click right here, here, or here.